Welcome to Mathematics Simplified. Today's topic ICSE Mathematics Class 9 Expansions. Exercise 4A. Here we will cover questions 4, 13, 14 and 16. Question 4. Evaluate a by 2b plus 2b by a square minus a by 2b minus 2b by a square minus 4. So this we can split into two parts. This is the first part and this second part. Okay. So looks like this is in the form of a plus b whole square and this is in the form of a minus b whole square. Okay. So first we can expand the first one. A by 2b plus 2b by a whole square. So we can take a plus b the whole square formula. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can consider this is our a and this is b. Okay. So a by 2b square my plus next 2b by a 2b by a square plus 2 into, in place of a we have a by 2b and in place of b we have 2b by a. So we can expand this. It's a square by 4b square plus 4b square by a square plus 2. So here we can cancel all those things. A will be cancelled and b cancelled. 2 also will cancel. Only 2 we have. So this is first one. And we can take the second one now. Its second one is a minus b the whole square. So we know the formula. A minus b square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can take this. So here a by 2b instead of a. So a by 2b square plus instead of b we have 2b by a. So 2b by a square minus 2ab. So 2 into a by 2b into 2b by a. So here also we can cancel this will cancel, 2b will be cancelled. So a square by 4b square plus 4b square by a square minus 2. This is second part. So here we have first term minus second term minus 4. So this is in the form of 1 minus 2 minus 4. So we have 1 this 2 and this. So we'll write here. So 1 is a square by 4b square plus 4b square by a square plus 2. This one and minus second part a square by 4b square plus 4b square by a square minus 2 and minus 4. So we can expand this. It's a square by 4b square plus 4b square by a square plus 2 and this minus we can multiply with minus a square by 4b square minus 4b square by a square minus 2 minus plus. So plus 2 minus 4. So we can cancel this a square by 4b square. So here also we have, so this will be cancelled, and 4b square by a square, and here minus 4b square by a square. So finally we have 2 plus 2 minus 4. So equal to 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So the answer is 0. 13. If a square minus 5a minus 1 equal to 0 and a not equal to 0. Now find 1 a minus 1 by a, 2 a plus 1 by a, 3 a square minus 1 by a square. So we can first we will find a minus 1 by a equal to 1. So we can take the given condition. Given condition is a square minus 5a minus 1 equal to 0. We can rewrite this. So we can take 5a to the right hand side. It's a square minus 1 equal to 5a. Now we can divide, we can take this 5a to left hand side. So a square minus 1 by a equal to 5. So we can split this a square by a minus 1 by a equal to 5. So this we can cancel. So a minus 1 by a equal to 5. This is the first answer. We will find a plus 1 by a equal to 1. So we know we can take the a minus b. We know a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we have a minus 1 by a equal to 5. This we got from the first one. So we can take that a minus 1 by a. We can find the square now. So it's a square plus 1 by a square. So in place of b we have 1 by a minus 2 into a into 1 by a. So this will be cancelled. So a minus 1 by a, we got its 5 from the first one. So 5 square equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. So this 2 we can take this side. So 5 square equal to 25. 5 into 5 25 plus 2. This minus 2 will come left side. So now a square plus 1 by a square. So we have a square plus 1 by a square equal to 25 plus 2 is 27. This we can call it as 2. So now we know the formula a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So actually we need to find out a plus 1 by a. So we can apply here. So it's a plus, instead of b we can put 1 by a the whole square equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2a into 1 by a. This will be cancelled. So now a plus 1 by a the whole square equal to a square plus 1 by a square. We already found out this is a second equation. So we got a plus 1 by a square equal 27. So we can apply here. It's 27 plus 2. So a plus 1 by a the whole square equal to 29. So this we can take square root. So a plus 1 by a equal to root 29. So here we need to use is maybe plus or minus. So because we are taking square root here, so it can be plus or minus. Plus or minus. So this is the answer. So now we need to find out a square minus 1 by a square equal to what? So we are using the formula. It's a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is a known formula. So instead of b place we are using 1 by a. So a square minus 1 by a square equal to a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. So we got it a plus 1 by a equal to square plus or minus square root 59 square root sorry. So now it's plus or minus root 29 into a minus b already we got, it's 5. So 5. So equal to plus or minus 5 root 29. So this is a square minus 1 by a square. This is the third answer. Next question 14. If 3x plus 4y equal to 16 and xy equal to 4. Now find the value of 9x square plus 16y square. So from the given condition 3x plus 4y equal to 16. So we know the formula a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can apply a equal to 3x and b equal to 4y. So 3x plus 4y the whole square equal to 3x square. So it's 9x square plus 4y square. 4 into 4 16y square plus 2 into 3x into 4y equal to 9x square plus 16y square plus 2 into 3 6 6 into 4 24. So 24xy equal to this side 3x plus 4y whole square. Now we can apply the value. It's 3x plus 4y equal to 16 and xy equal to 4. We can apply these values. So it's 16 square equal to 9x square plus 16y square plus 24 into xy equal to 4. So 4. So 16 into 16 is 256. So 256 equal to 9x square plus 16y square plus 24 into 4. It's 96. So now we can take this one side and all other things because this is the answer we need to find out. So 9x square plus 16y square equal to 256. This 96 will come this side. So minus 96. So 9x square plus 16y square equal to 160. 256 minus 96 is 160. So this is the answer. Next question 16. The difference between two positive numbers is 5 and the sum of their squares is 73. Find the product of these numbers. So from this given condition, the difference between two positive numbers is 5. So we can take the numbers a and b. So difference between two numbers a minus b equal to 5. And second, sum of their squares is 73. So sum of their square a square plus b square equal to 73. And we need to find the product of this number. So a b equal to question mark. So a minus b is there, a square plus b square also there. So we can use the formula a minus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can apply the values. Is a minus b is 5, difference is 5, so 5 square equal to sum of their squares, so a square plus b square, this is given, so it's 73 minus 2ab. So now 2ab we can take this side, it's 2ab equal to 73 is 5 square, 25 will come right hand side, so minus 25. So 2ab equal to 73 minus 25 is 48. So ab equal to 48 divided by 2 equal to 24. So the answer is AB equal to 24. So means it's a product of this number, this answer. To come up with next exercise soon, please subscribe this channel and stay connected.